Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXC Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. All right, so let's get into some spicy pen relay action. Boy, when I tell you, we have definitely been enjoying the pen relays, seeing the clips here and there, and it's of course exciting, these relays. Plus also we have been seeing quite a few, individual events, especially on the field event side from a Jamaican perspective. Just been enjoying, the entire pen relays overall. But let's get into some most recent action that I'd love to drop on you all. So I'm going to kick things off with the 4 by 100 meters, and I'm going to go with the boys. Yes, let's get into the Championship of America for the boys. Now, in this one, the field was mostly dominated by Jamaican athletes. So without, a shadow of a doubt, the thought process going in was one Jamaican team would win. Now we were seeing what was happening at champs, so we had an inclination or an idea as it relates to which teams could potentially walk away with the win. But again, it's the relay, so anything can happen. And track is on that final leg. Let me tell you something. We're talking about Kingston College in the conversation for the win. Not only that, but Archbishop John Carroll from the United States was also in the conversation. But on that final leg, Excelsior puts in a masterful leg to walk away with the win, running 40.45 seconds. Now, Kingston College was just able to manage to hold on for a second, and they ran a 40.53 seconds. But coming in really hot on that third leg, or well, not third leg, but in that final leg spot, for Herbert Marson, definitely DeAndre Daly pulling out a performance that barely saw them, a shy of the second place spot, finishing third, running a 40.56 seconds. So absolutely phenomenal running on that anchor leg. Now in fourth place, was the American team, but Calabar, St. Jago, St. George's, and Jamaica College round out the other placings for the Jamaicans that were in this 4 by 100-meter final. But Jamaica sweeps it, a top three, finishing for Jamaica here. Absolutely, phenomenal performance, going, hand in hand with the top three from the women or the girls, the day before for the high school championship. So absolutely fantastic running here, and again exciting running as well. Loved seeing that final leg. I'm telling you, we had Excelsior, Kingston College, Herbert Marson, Archbishop Carroll, and fighting tooth and nail for that win. But Excelsior pulled off a clutch performance, and not only that as well, had time to pause, stretching his hand out to the clock. You know what I mean? So it was very, very exciting to see that 4 by 100 meters.
How important does this mean, not just for your school, but just for the entire country of Jamaica? Do you feel any pressure going up against some of the top American schools and then coming to And what does it mean to be, coming out on top as a Jamaican school here in the United States, like just representing for your country? It means a lot,
Yeah. Now, moving on over, let's get into what was, formerly dubbed as Jamaica versus USA. Not really seeing much USA in this particular lineup as it relates to, again, this senior 4 by 1 team, men or women. Don't see any American teams here, which is very interesting. But nonetheless, Jamaica sent a few teams, one for the female and one for the males, and for the males, we walked away with a win. Now, the team consisting of O'Shane Bailey, Taekwondo Tracy, Ramon Barneswell, and Sandra Davison walked away with the win, running 39.59 seconds. So fabulous win here for Team Jamaica. Actually, when I think about this team, I mean, other than the our best athletes that were quote unquote missing in action, I don't really have a problem with this team, and this team did what they needed to do, and that was walk away with the win. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Now, yes, the time is really nothing to write home about. Clearly that's a 39.59 seconds, but a win is a win. You know what I mean? In second place was Ghana, and in third place was Garden State T. So that's pretty much how that went. Now moving on over to the women's section now, where we had a team consisting of Jordan Williams, Yannick Daly, Ramona Burchell, and Shakura Wallace. Now this one was very interesting because on the anchor leg, it seems, is where Jamaica really lost this 4x1, or we could have walked away with the win here. But beating us, interestingly, is Spain. Yes, so Spain walked away with the win for the women's 4x1, running 43.97 seconds. And in second place was Jamaica, running 44.11 seconds. In third place was the Garden State TC, running 46.37 seconds. So as you can see, a few track clubs here and there, but no American team. They usually have USA Red, USA White, or USA Blue. None of those teams, all MIA as it relates to the Penn relays. But Jamaica strung through something, and we tried. And based on the team here, I'm not gonna lie, when it comes to us losing to Spain, I have to give that a second look, and I'm like, huh, Jamaica lost to Spain. You know what I mean? But again, it just goes to show you that all of the other countries are developing their 4x1 teams or their relay teams. So we can't be looking down on or underestimating any particular team heading into any championship. It doesn't matter whether it's the Penn relays, we have the world relays right around the corner. You know what I mean? And based on the things that I'm hearing, not many Jamaicans unfortunately are looking forward to that. But it is what it is. Let's see how it goes. I'll be covering that for sure. But as it stands right now, trackies, that is the latest update. So the boys definitely show up and walk away with a win. Excelsior, Jamaica sweeps it 1-2-3. Excelsior, Kingston College, and Herbert Morrison definitely on that final leg do the damage and collect a queen sweep for Jamaica in the 4x1. The men for that championship of America did walk away with a win as well. And also the women placed second. But anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about one, the boys coming up for another win from a Jamaican perspective, and two, what do you think about the teams that Jamaica are sending, or Jamaica is sending, sorry, to represent us on behalf of the 4x1s in recent times? Is it good enough or not? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Anyway, the track is that is it. Like the video, of course, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.